today is all about a health and wellbeing event for residents of Grimsby. We've done it in partnership with Shoreline, but the idea for the event is to make sure it's interactive, it's an informative day, but they also get a chance to try their hand at DIY skills, learning new ways of DIY quick fixes. We also have demonstrations from the Energy Saving Trust as well. They do demonstrations on energy and how much energy you can save in your home, but also giving you advice and products that you can actually use.
We're a registered provider of social housing based in Grimsby, so we've got a lot of residents in the East Marsh and we're quite passionate about making sure that we support them in their tenancies and in their everyday lives. And that's why we've come here today to support the event, and we've got a stall showing how we involve residents across the East Marsh and the rest of our neighbourhoods, and also we've got a price comparison store to sort of encourage people into the healthy eating thing. So we've shown that with branded goods and with value brands that they can eat healthily, and the price differences that they can achieve there.
My name's Annika. I work for Humberside Fire and Rescue Service. We've got a stall here today just to give general public fire safety advice. We do fit free smoke alarms in people's properties, free to anybody in the whole of Humberside. You would just need your name, address and your telephone number. We'll take that back to your local fire station, give you a ring, make an appointment with you, come round, fit you some free 10-year battery operated smoke alarms, and we'll go around your home and we'll fire check it for you to make sure everything's safe.
Now today I'm hoping to speak to lots of tenants to help them save money from their energy bills. Energy bills are really expensive now, and if we can help people in any way save a little bit of money every year, it will really help them maximise on their income.
One of the reasons why we chose today to hold our event was this is the start of the Community Engagement Week in Grimsby, and this was ideal because it kicked off a series of events for residents to come to. But also this is a chance to include the East Marsh residents. We particularly picked this area as well because there is a lot happening in this area and there's a lot of new initiatives being launched, and we wanted to make sure that we were able to launch our initiative by bringing these people together, and we're very pleased today to have the East Marsh involvement team here, and today they're actually going to be judging the competition. So I think it's a worthwhile cause to have them here.
Today what we're doing is coming out to meet the residents of the East Marsh and the people that we haven't met yet. So we're trying to bring ourselves outwards instead of waiting for people to come to us, and trying to be proactive in getting people's opinions on the issues that affect them within the East Marsh.
Well, over this Community Engagement Week, we've been working with the police especially. We're working with, I'm personally in my role of working with Age Concern, Help the Aged and Older Persons Collaborative, and we're just making sure that it's an opportunity as well for all the agencies to come together and work together and find out what everybody's doing and if there's anything that we can help with. The community safety trailer is out around East Marsh this week. It's just like we're doing here today, giving basic fire safety advice to the general public, letting you come on board, and we've got a screen as well that shows you exactly what the fire service does. So like road traffic collisions, house fires, rescuing people. So you know that we're not just out there to put fires out, we're there to prevent it as well. So it just gives you advice on also recruitment to all the different kinds of jobs that are in the fire service. So if anybody's feeling they might want a career with the fire service, they can find out more on this community safety trailer.
We've got a logo competition running with the 3 local schools, that's Strand, Wheelsby and St Mary's. We've asked them to design a logo for East Marsh Involve. Each school there will be a winner of £25 voucher for Ramsden's Toy Store, and there will also be an overall winner of £50 voucher for the chosen design. And we're asking residents of the East Marsh to choose their winners and choose the logo, so it's really a community-led project where young people that live in the East Marsh get to design the logo.
I work for the Active Lives programme, part of the Care Trust Plus. My role within the community is looking at healthy eating, giving the messages out to people, and looking at getting people to take those messages to their friends, their family, to other parts of their community. Looking at food champions and trying to get someone to pass the messages on to the rest of the community group. And I look at cooking on a budget programmes, I do cooking demonstrations and talks on healthy eating, and try and getting those messages out that cooking is fun and it doesn't have to be expensive, but we can actually cook good healthy food at a reasonable price.
Hopefully the people today will be able to go away from here with lots of advice, lots of goodies and giveaways that they can actually use in their own home. They'll be like power down plugs, different energy saving devices, but also they'll have lots of information on their health needs.
This is part of the Community Engagement Week, and working in partnership with Mears, we just felt that we wanted to do something different, and this is why we've come along to obviously make people aware of their health and obviously well-being. And it is absolutely fantastic to come to Freeman Street Resource Centre and see all the different types of people coming in, so we can actually engage with them and obviously help them make a little bit of a difference in whatever way they choose.